Okay, so we have the Smith&wesson Sigma 40 co2 powered, just like the real one, cocked and locked. A lot of power in one of these things, more than you'd think for a BB gun. That's it, guess out. Okay. You've got to be very careful with this gun, as the safety is that. I don't know if you can see, but it's on the hard way. Yes, that is a hole in my hand. I mean, it did go all the way in. I'm going to have to pick it out with tweezers, so yes. Very careful, people. Identical, of course, in every way to the real Sigma, most important. Yeah, you damn phone. Silly about that, people. Yeah, you know, it's nice gun.